Hi, I'm Mandeep Singh, CEO and founder of Mandeeps.com and Vanjaro. Thank you so much for joining me in this series of preview videos of Vanjaro, where we're releasing a new preview video every day until DNN Summit 2020. So let's get started. What I have here is a Vanjaro site running DNN 9.4, and today we'll be working with our icon block. I can quickly drag the icon block over here and I'm presented with an icon picker. Vanjaro ships with over 1500 icons, courtesy of Font Awesome. Select an icon to preview how it looks on your page, load more at the bottom, and always search for the one you're looking for. With over 1500 icons, you'll always find what you're looking for, but you can always add your own. Vanjaro is built on extensible architecture. I'm looking at the file system or the file structure of the site, and in the icons folder, you can always create your own folder and drop in your icons. Now these are SVG icons. As you can see, I have a couple in here. Then you can always switch over to your own branding and look at your icons. When you like an icon, simply click on it and hit the close button, or an easy way is to just double click on it. And there we go. Since these are SVG icons, I can quickly resize them to any size I like without distorting them. So that's super cool, and it's very fluid to resize them any size I like. Now when I click on an icon, I'm presented with its options on the left. So I can quickly align that icon to the center, to the right, bring it back to the left. I can also uncheck that alignment, and that's really important. Let me go ahead and get rid of this, so I don't have to worry about resizing it. I'm just going to grab another one and just grab this here. But what if I wanted another icon right next to it? So I can definitely go ahead and grab another one and put that in. Now I can do that if the alignment is off. If I go ahead and select the alignment center, it's going to become a block level element and actually go on its own line and be centered. So I can quickly go ahead and align it that way. But if I want it to be on the same row as this, I can always uncheck. So the question then is, what if I wanted both of these to be centered? Well, that's where our column alignment comes into play. So we can certainly do that as well. Okay, so let's continue. I'm going to go ahead and click on the icon again. And we've looked at the alignment, and next we're going to look at the color. So there's a color palette already there. And this palette actually inherits from a theme. So you already have your primary, secondary, third, and fourth color always here. So we can quickly change between your theme colors. And then you also have what we call a success and info color as well. Again, these are coming from the theme you've selected in Vanjaro, and you can always change them in the theme builder. You got your warning, and you got your danger or error, and then you got a light and a dark as well. So super easy, and of course you got your custom color picker, so you got endless possibilities to choose exactly the one you want. You can put the hex code in there. Alright, so I'm going to go back to primary, and I'm going to actually go ahead and actually change the icon to a user icon. And let's go ahead and explore some of the other options. Now that's just an icon there, but I can also have a background. Let's say I want this background here, and then now maybe I want to switch the color over there. So there you go, I have an icon now with a background. Looks pretty cool, and again I'm free to resize it as I deem fit. Let's go ahead and give it a frame. Let's make this circular. Now if I just want a circular icon without any borders, I can go ahead and get rid of that. So that looks pretty cool. I have full control over the gap in between, so I can choose exactly the way I want it to look. Now if I want the borders, I'll bring those right back in, and I can toggle the background off. Let's give the icon a different color. Let's give the border a different color. And there you go. I have a whole separate looking icon. Now this is a solid border. I can do 2 lines. Pretty nice and cool. And again, I have still full control over resizing it. Now I also have a square frame, and I have the border, the double lines, the dots, and the dash. And I have full control over the width, as well as the gap or the padding between it, as well as the size of the icon itself. So full control. Now I can also go down and control the border color versus the actual icon color. And if I still want, I can bring my background in as well. So I can go ahead and put another background. So absolutely total control over how you want your icon to look. The possibilities are totally endless and what you can and cannot do with this. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of actually go ahead and get another one so I don't have to go and fix all that. Let's look at some of the other options. Now, usually when you have an icon, you want it to be linked somewhere. So that's super easy. We can just go ahead and type in our link right here. And we can say whether we want this to open a new tab or not. And sometimes you want it linked to your internal page. So you just simply switch over to this page right here and choose your page, whether it's home, services, about us. Super easy. Now, again, you can have that page open in a new tab or not. But sometimes you basically just want an email link. You know, you could easily do that too. How about sales@yourcompany.com? So when someone clicks on it, we send an email out and we can have a subject is new services lead. All right. Sometimes you just want a phone call. So it's super easy. Just go ahead and type in the number. And it will automatically link it up and make it a phone number. So that's great and awesome, makes it super easy. This link control is used throughout the Vanjaro UI. So whether it's a button or a link or anywhere where you have to do a link, you basically come down to this control, which makes our life super simple. That's it for this icon video. Remember, you can always go ahead and double click on your icon and switch it around and play with its options to your heart's desires. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back tomorrow with another video, so be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social networks. Head over to Vanjaro.com and join the conversation. Let us know what you think about Vanjaro.